take your baggage rack that came with this pack and then give it a bit of a clean up, and then once you've done that, give it a coat of primer. Okay, now before you go ahead and paint it in beige as per the instructions, just test fit it in the fuselage section, and any adjustments make those before you start painting and adding detail. Okay, and then once you've done that, go ahead and paint that beige and also add in the other small details with the blue lines. Okay, and the blue is going to be done in Mediterranean blue. Okay. Now, as you can see, we've now painted that beige and we've added the detail and the 4 cast dots that we've applied and painted, and the blue line with the Mediterranean blue. Okay, so once you've done that, get your super glue and then glue that on to the fuselage half, okay, as per the instructions. Now, next we need to make up one of the window frames, okay, with the F2 and F1 parts, as you can see here. And once you've done that, just give that a coat of Mediterranean blue, as here, and we're going to be using that just to line up the inner window framing on parts 27. Now, on part 27 of page 43, take your template, and then with that template you want to use that, and with this applied plastic, cut out your inner window lining and also the lower section here, if I can just pick that up, section here. And then once you've done that, you're going to prime both of these, paint this one beige, and then you've got a 2mm line along the bottom which is going to be done in the Mediterranean blue, and then the other section is going to be done in Mediterranean blue. And then once we've done that, we're going to then add those to the inside of the fuselage half. Okay. Now, before we glue the frame that we've painted into position, take the previous frame, okay, that we painted, and without gluing, place it into position like so, because you're going to need that so that we line up to make sure that the frame and everything sits nicely. Okay, so once you've done that, just double check, make sure that you're happy with that and it's all lined up, and then glue that into position. Once you've done that, then carefully remove the frame. Okay? Once you've done that, take part G1, which is the Mediterranean blue that we did earlier, and then once again, as before, glue that down into position just underneath like so. Okay, and then once you've done that, take 2 of the stringers that were provided and then place one of the stringers along the top of the window frame, so it's just below the baggage area, and then another stringer just along the join just below the window frame. Okay, and then paint one side of the two stringers in aluminium, okay, and like once again glue one above and one below. Once we've done that, we'll come back and show you those completed.